Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is the Netherlands. And this is a video request reaction to Alvin Sikuru, who came in our channel and saw my email and did email me. I'll put the small video clip in here, and also his email, guys, that he wanted me to react on this amazing performance of our very own, very talented artist from the Netherlands, is Amera Willighagen, live in concert, Nelia Fantasia. And credit also with the owner of the video to Amera's Archive. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch a full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for the video reaction purposes and commentaries. And thank you once again, Alvin Sikuru, for emailing me with this link and to make some video reaction for today. And please do consider like and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below so that you can help also with my channel, guys. And let's get to it and enjoy with this performance of Amera Willighagen.
You're a superhero.
The River, Nelia Fantasia, Amera. Oh, I really like the stage. Wow, love this. It's like you were in a play. I love this one. This is beautiful. Oh, wow. How old is she in this? She's so beautiful. I really like this, like Cinderella outfit. Oh, she's really amazing. Sorry to cut, guys, because I was so amazed. The introduction, those beats, those melody that you're just giving. It's like I was in a play, in a crowd watching with this like different tones of, like, I don't know, that's flute the girl was playing, and those everything in an orchestra. So amazing as the introduction played, and when like Amera came out, wow, and then she's smiling. That's so cute. Ooh, bravo. So excited. Wow. Oh my god. Let me know in the comment section, how old is she in this? Oh my goodness. Like, those emotions, the compassions, that's really incredible. I can feel it. How she sing, it's like she just lifting up like an angel, and you were watching with her, listening with those angelic, sublime voice. Like the sweetness, the melodies, just telling us something that it's so nice. And wow, I was like in an operatic or in a play. Like she just sing with this amazing and incredible operatic tone, those high pitch and those beautiful face, those expression. Goodness gracious, she's really really talented, and wow, she's really can touch people's lives when she sings, because you can truly feel, even that I'm watching with this one, seeing those crowds that in like in an late 40s or from 30s or 40s above, those are who love the music or way of singing of Amira Willighagen. They truly appreciate this one, and she's very incredible. And there is something special on her that you truly enjoyed listening. Wow. She's really amazing. Goodness gracious, that's really amazing. It's like the crescendo, every line she just attack with those like every changes of the tone. What I truly impressed, the people like changed their mood, their emotion, something so special on her that she can touch lives. The people will like just like have their emotion also when she just sing. What I can see with Amera is like a little Andrea Bocelli on her. The way she just did it, this facial expression. Oh my goodness. It's like the soul of Andrea Bocelli came to her and just like singing with this amazing and beautiful song with those like small body, but the tone is like mind blowing. It's like very huge, and that's really incredible, and I really like it. I enjoyed listening with this one. It like touches me, it like it moves me. Wow. Oh my God. She deserved a standing ovation. Africans Grew 2016 Day Concert. Wow. That was truly incredible and magnificent. I was so moved. Whew, Amira, you touch lives. That's incredible performance. I really like it. Those control, those high pitches that you're giving at the end, it's like mind blowing and just give me chills. And I hope guys you enjoyed watching with this one because I enjoyed it so much. She moved me and having me those emotions. And if you have some suggestions or comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Amira Willighagen performances, and I would like to say thank you once again to Alvin Sikoro for suggesting with this one. Put your comments down section and I would love to read and respond with you all, and please do consider like and subscribe also with my channel Junris React and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below so that you can help my channel also. Thank you so much. Mabuhay kayong lahat. God bless and see you in my next video reaction. Bye bye guys.